Welcome back to Traveling Kangaroo, everyone. Today we're diving into a hidden gem of the Florida Keys, Bahia Honda State Park. If you love snorkeling, sunbathing, and stunning beaches, this is the spot for you. Stick around as I take you through everything you need to know about this incredible park, including how to snorkel right from the shore. Prepare for a day filled with adventure, relaxation, and breathtaking views. Let's kick off our adventure. Bahia Honda State Park is renowned for its gorgeous beaches and vibrant marine life. Located just a short drive from Miami, this park is perfect for a day trip or even a longer stay. It's not just about the scenery, this park offers unforgettable experiences that you won't want to miss. Whether you're traveling solo, with friends, or with family, Bahia Honda caters to all types of adventurers. As we make our way to the park, let's talk about the drive. Expect about 2.5 hours from Miami, depending on traffic and road conditions. The scenic route takes you through the beautiful overseas highway, where you'll be treated to stunning ocean views and charming little towns along the way. You might even want to stop at some local shops or cafes to grab a snack for your journey. But trust me, the journey is worth it. Bahia Honda opens at 8 a.m. and the admission fee is only $9 for 2 people. Keep your receipt handy. You can leave and come back without paying again. Upon entering the park, the first beach you'll encounter is Loggerhead Beach. Picture this: soft white sand beneath your feet, crystal clear water in front of you, and the gentle sound of waves crashing against the shore. It's an ideal spot for swimming and soaking up the sun. Loggerhead Beach is known for its tranquil ambiance and stunning views of the surrounding keys. Pro tip: arrive early to snag a good parking spot. Now, if you're eager to snorkel, you'll definitely want to check out Calusa Beach. This is where the magic happens. Calusa Beach is perfect for beginners. It's shallow and has an abundance of marine life just waiting to be explored. You can see various fish swimming around without needing to go far from shore. Just be cautious of any currents, safety first. Make sure you have your snorkeling gear ready or rent some from local vendors if you don't have your own. What's truly remarkable about snorkeling at Calusa Beach is how accessible it is. You don't need a boat or any special permits, just wade in and start exploring. Bring your underwater camera if you have one. You'll want to capture the vibrant colors of the fish and coral formations. And remember, while snorkeling is fun and thrilling, it's important to respect marine life. Avoid touching or disturbing any creatures you encounter. If you're not comfortable with snorkeling but still want to enjoy the water, don't worry. Bahia Honda offers plenty of shallow areas perfect for wading and playing in the surf. Kids will love splashing around in the gentle waves. One of the highlights of Bahia Honda is the old Bahia Honda Bridge Trail. This historic bridge was built by Henry Flagler in the early 1900s and offers a unique walking experience with breathtaking views of the surrounding waters. The trail is short and easy to navigate, making it accessible for everyone. Plus, there's nothing quite like standing on a bridge that once played a crucial role in connecting these beautiful islands. Walking along the bridge gives you a chance to appreciate not just the beauty of Bahia Honda, but also its rich history. You might even spot some local wildlife along the way. Keep an eye out for birds soaring overhead or dolphins playing in the water below. After a fun day of snorkeling and exploring, you might want to grab a bite to eat. The park has picnic tables where you can enjoy a packed lunch or take advantage of the on-site deli, which offers sandwiches, snacks, and beverages to refuel your energy after all that swimming and walking. If you're feeling adventurous, there's even a great sushi restaurant just 15 minutes away that I highly recommend. Insider tip: if you plan on eating at the deli, try to visit during off-peak hours to avoid long lines. And don't forget, if you're looking to explore more of the underwater world, Bahia Honda offers snorkeling boat tours that allow you to experience some of the best snorkeling spots in the area without needing to venture far from shore. These tours are led by experienced guides who will take you to hidden gems where you can see even more diverse marine life. For those interested in other activities, rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore the calm waters surrounding the park. It's a fantastic way to see more of the natural beauty and perhaps discover some secluded spots along the coastline. As the sun begins to set, make sure to find a good vantage point on the old bridge or one of the beaches. The views are absolutely stunning and provide the perfect backdrop for your day's adventures. Watching the sunset over the ocean with vibrant oranges, pinks, and purples lighting up the sky is truly an unforgettable experience. So, whether you're lounging in the sun, snorkeling with colorful fish, or taking in the sunset, Bahia Honda State Park has something for everyone. It's a must-visit destination in the Florida Keys that combines natural beauty with exciting activities. Thank you for joining me today on this tour of Bahia Honda State Park. I hope you're inspired to visit and experience everything this amazing place has to offer. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your friends who love adventure. Make sure to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more travel tips and guides. Follow us on social media for updates and sneak peeks of upcoming adventures. And visit our website at travelingkangaroo.com for more detailed travel information. Until next time, happy travel!